Hello, it's Derek Stoke Living, and just got home from work today, and I need to get started on something that I love to do and start very strong every year. And some years I don't finish very strong, and that is the garden. Last year was one of the years that I did not finish strong. It got away from me. I got busy with lawn care service, and just didn't go very well. But this year's gonna be different, and you guys are gonna see a lot of videos on our journey with the garden. So this is kind of the starting the season for it. I've got my lovely daughter Olivia. She's going to help me. We're going to burn the old grass and stuff off the garden. So that's what we're going to start doing. So we'll get after it. Okay, so we got the garden is ready to burn. We got all the trash and stuff that's collected throughout the winter off of it. The ground is very saturated, not very much wind, little if any. So I believe it's gonna be a good day to burn. So we're gonna get started. Right.
I'll do the other side.
Well, what you're gonna do is you just take this and kind of drag it along a little bit. Try to get it going. There you go.
I'm not doing it.
Here, I'm gonna get another rake.
But what if I burn myself?
Burn yourself.
Try to drag it?
Yeah, just kind of drag the fire a little bit. Wind kind of switched, so I'm kind of blowing straight this way, so kind of drag it out this way. Kind of want to keep upwind of it.
Drag it this way?
Yeah. Ollie, quit that.
What did you do?
Oh, you tormenting that little
Oh
goat.
my gosh, it's really hot. My goodness.
Well, doing a pretty good job burn. It's a nice day to burn. Got just a little bit of a wind, enough just to control it, and a lot of moisture on the ground, so it's not gonna just take off like crazy. And it's doing its job. It's kind of coming out here in the goat pen, so me and Libby are gonna go over here and put it out. The goats look really concerned. Over here and kind of just stomp it out. So you can kind of see it's putting itself out. Something doesn't just get too crazy. These goats do a good job of keeping this forage eaten down.
What about that area?
It'll probably burn back this way. Maybe. Keep dragging it across there. Ollie, what do you think about all this? Huh? What you think, Ollie? What you thinking? Huh? What you thinking? So this area here used to be a dairy barn. You can see my shed, my shop back here. Well, that used to be a dairy barn. And whenever I was a kid, I'd come up here and work for my uncle, working in the dairy barn. And this whole garden, he would use the manure off of it. He would spread it out here sometimes. And so this ground right through here is very, very fertile. And it grows a really good garden if I keep up with it. That's a big if. It seems like I can get distracted, as some of you guys can see. But this year's not going to be the case. We're going to have a good garden, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Now, that's how you get your old leg all messed up. You crawling up on that kind of stuff. Yeah? You feeling pretty good, ain't you? Liking this warmer weather. How are you, buddy? Come on, Herbert. How are you, Herbert? Put that old size 13 on that one over there. You're not 13? 12?
Like 11 and a half, 11.
11 and a half. Let's just let that one burn out. Well, we gave the little playhouse a haircut. Cut the legs off of it. I had the ladder thinking that these goats would climb up there. Well, they knocked the ladder down. I just never did anything with it. So now they can get in there and play around and do what goats do, whatever that is. So wasn't expecting to do that, but opportunity was there, so we took it. On to the next. Well, run out of daylight, but we got a lot done today. Pleased with what we got. Garden is roughed in. I will probably till it several more times until I get, before we're ready to plant. So I'll plan on getting some fertilizer in there and see what we can grow this year. And in spring, we'll be here very soon. So get out there and get your gardens ready, because it'll be here before you know it. And we'll talk to you guys next time. Have a good week.